artist to Kimiko Arts. Today we are going to learn how to draw Olaf, the good-natured snowman from Frozen. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look. To begin, I'm going to start with Olaf's head. So I'm going to draw an oval shape close to the top of the page. I'm going to go around and around until I get a nice symmetrical oval. Then I'm going to draw two curved lines and a curved line at the bottom to create Olaf's middle segment. Then I'm going to draw two more curved lines, a little bit bigger and longer, and then another curved shape at the bottom. By making sure the bottom is curved and not a straight line really helps create that illusion of depth. Next, I'm going to move on to Olaf's feet or legs. And for that, I'm just going to add two curves at the bottom of his body. Then I'm going to draw his stick arms. And for that, I'm going to add two long lines with three smaller lines at the top for his fingers. For Olaf's mouth, I'm going to add a curved line around the middle of Olaf's head and then another curved line underneath for the bottom of his mouth. And then I'm going to move on to his carrot nose, which is basically an oval that is pinched on the right-hand side. After I have that complete, I'm going to move on to Olaf's eyes. For his eyes, the basic shape is a circle, so I'm going to sketch two circles with a smaller circle inside, which is going to be Olaf's pupil. Then I'm going to move on to his eyebrows. Make sure you leave a little bit of space between his eyes and his eyebrows. And if you look, they have a slight arch. Now I'm going to outline his eyes and nose one more time just to give them a little bit more definition. This helps make it easier when I go to outline because I won't outline the wrong line by mistake. Now I'm going to outline his mouth and give him some teeth. So for his teeth, it's going to be a curved line at the top, and then I'm going to add another curved line just above the bottom lip. Now I'm going to outline his head and give it a little bit more definition. So you can see it kind of comes out at the side and then it comes in again. And now I'm going to go around and connect back to his lip. Now I'm going to define that bottom lip a little bit more and add a little line to enhance his smile. And a smile line beside his eye. Now I'm going to add his unique spiky hair. To do that, it's one long curved line with a smaller curved line coming out from it, and then another long curved line with a small curve coming out from it. Now I'm going to add his buttons. He has 3 buttons, and I'm going to draw each circle and kind of make that bottom one curve to the side a bit. Now I'm going to use the basic shapes that we made for his arms to actually draw his arms. So what I'm going to do is draw lines around those stick lines to make his hands and arms a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to add a little bit more definition to his legs or feet and erase some of the basic shapes that I made so that when I go to outline, I don't get confused and outline the wrong lines. Now comes the time we've all been waiting for. It's time to use our black marker and outline Olaf. Now I'm going to erase all my pencil lines to reveal a magnificent Olaf. Now you can have a little bit of fun and color in your drawing with marker, pencil crayons, or if you're extra daring, paint. This will make your Olaf look extra animated and really stand out. There you have it, an outstanding Olaf. Created from Elsa's magical powers, he is by far the friendliest snowman I've ever known. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.